What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Chillin' with Chen. I'm Chen, and I hope you're chilling. And today we have a iPhone 11 Pro Max case for you to look at, the Plasma series from Urban Armor Gear. Now, these type of cases I really do enjoy, usually from Urban Armored Gear. Lately, though, the cases haven't been that well. I really didn't like them that much. However, my favorite series of these cases are the ones that have the bolts in the back. It's not real bolts or real screws, but it looks like it has screws. This one, the Plasma series, does not have that. It's pretty much the same as that case, with one caveat that it doesn't have the bolts. And this, I believe, is a see-through type of material. But we'll get into it and take a look at the case here. As you can see, it is drop tested, so they do drop test this. And we take a look at the back. You have different colors, and there's different types of the cases that you can get for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Opening up the case here, got a nice little cardboard piece here for us. I'm gonna take this out here. The buttons here bulge out just a little bit. I wasn't expecting that when taking a look at this case. In the pictures, it does look a little different. It looks like the button is actually recessed in with the case. But looking at the back, so it is a little glossy type feel. You do get some texture on the side, cut out for the camera. These corners here will help protect from drops and disperse. You got the cutouts at the bottom, the volume rocker keys, cutouts for the mute switch right here. And it feels boxy when you feel it. I don't know if that makes any sense. And again, the button here looks a little different. It's a little bulgy. I don't know if you could see it in this view, but it feels really nice in the hand. You get the UAG branding in the back. Let's go ahead and pop the phone in here. Clean it up a little bit. So you just slide it, volume keys, the lock button in first. And there you go. Now, it fits really nice, and it feels really nice when you hold it in the hand. It's real solid. The back, again, is a little glossy, and I feel like the back gets a little sticky sometimes, especially when it's hot out or your hands are sweating. The back feels like it gets a little slippery. Definitely feels a hard plastic back here. But overall, the feel is pretty nice, and it feels good in your hand. As you can see, the sides here, the volume buttons, they are a little clicky, and you can easily stick your hand in there to flip the switch, and the lock button as well has a little click to it. Again, as you can see, maybe in this view, what I was talking about, the lock button does bulge out just a little bit. You do got the protection here for the camera, so when you put it down, it doesn't scratch the lens. And a textured side here where you can see, also on the top, you got some lip protection, so you could place the phone face down and not have to worry about scratching the screen or your screen protector, whatever you happen to have on there. I do like how this phone feels. As you can see, there is branding here, and you can see in the back, it feels really nice and looks really good. You got the cutouts here looking really nice at the bottom of the phone for the speaker and the charging port. I could brighten this up, see if you could get a better view here. Apologize for the lighting. But yeah, overall, I mean, it is a really nice case. It does feel really nice. The back might take some getting used to. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, my favorite cases actually was I forget what, I'll put it here, but I forget what case it was that actually has a more textured back with those screws there. When you do slide up from the bottom here, you are going to touch the bottom of the case just a little bit. Nothing too much to worry about, but you will feel that when you swipe up from the bottom to either close an app or unlock the phone. So the corners here, it really bulge out a little bit, and it's a little bit harder than the rest of the case. It looks a little bit more bulgier, just so that the corners, if it hits on the corner, you don't have to worry about it breaking or anything. It absorbs the impact pretty much on the case. So you can see here, you put the phone down, face down. It looks pretty nice. Looks good. You can see the lip protection here. So when you place the phone face down, you don't have to worry about it. But yeah, that was a quick look at the UAG case Plasma series for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and hit that notification bell because more videos are coming for the iPhone 11 Pro Max and the iPad Pro.